on the occasion of the 12th anniversary celebrations. First, we start the function with a prayer by Master Pranith Manas.
यादवनीबा यदुकुलनन्दन माधव मधुसूदन यादवनीबा यदुकुलनन्दन माधव मधुसूदन बारो यादवनीबा यदुकुलनन्दन माधव मधुसूदन बारो यादवनीबा यदुकुलनन्दन माधव मधुसूदन सोदर मावन सोदर मावन मडुरली मडुईत सोदर मावन मडुरली मडुईत यशोदे नंदन नी बारो यशोदे नंदन नी बारो यादव नी यदुकुलनन्दन माधव मधुसूदन मारो यादवनीबा यदुकुलनन्दन माधव मधुसूदन गगवाहनने बगे बगे रूपने गगवाहनने बगे बगे रूपने नगे मोगे दरीशने नी बारो गगवाहनने बगे बगे रूपने नगे मोगे दरीशने नी बारो जगदोलु निन्नय जगदोलु निन्नय महिमय पोगಳುವೆ जगदोलु निन्नय महिमय पोगಳುವೆ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ ನೀ ಬಾರೋ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ ನೀ ಬಾರೋ ಯಾದವ ನೀ यदुकुलनन्दन माधव मधुसूदन मारो यादवनीबा यदुकुलनन्दन माधव मधुसूदन.
Managing Trustee Sri Srinivasa Murthy to give the welcome address. We request him to honor Master Pranith Manas for the prayer.
Good evening to all of you. On behalf of Sri Purandara Dasa Trust, we extend a very warm welcome to our chief guest, Dr. Sudha Seshian, who was former Vice Chancellor, Tamil Nadu MGR Medical University. Madam, thank you very much for accepting our invitation and gracing the occasion. We also extend a warm welcome to the awardees, Sarvashri R. Shekhar, Sir, Jayanti Sridharan Madam, Dr. Usha Rajgopalan Madam, Dr. S. Karthik Sir, Kolkata K. Vasudevan Sir, Nagur R. Arvind Srikant Sir, Madurai T. Kishore Sir. Thank you for thank you for accepting our awards, and we are really honored to have you all here at this time. Thanks to our sponsors, life members, donors, well-wishers, and all of you here. With this, we start the celebration of Purandara Dasa Aradhana, the festival, the music festival that follows it. It would be for 6 days till 16th of February. We hope and pray that all of you come in good numbers and make it a big success. Thank you very much. That's it.
Thank you, Sri Srinivasamurthy, sir.